We out here at the Iloilo car show.
Enjoy not to.
So after the car show tonight, we eating at Paris University. It's a nice little setup. Let's see what they got out here. So this is a beef mommy. It's basically just beef noodles with an egg. So I'm about to eat this to see how it tastes. And y'all know y'all can trust my reviews, because come on now, that's why y'all come to me. First, I'm gonna test the noodles. Let's see how the noodles taste. The texture is coarse. It's not soft. It's kind of coarse and a little bit soft. You know that it's handmade. They really made this. They didn't buy these noodles. You taste the soup. Oh, the soup is really good. You can taste that they use beef bones with this broth. Last, I'm gonna do the beef. Let me see how the beef tastes. Wow. Super tender, super soft. It's like, I don't know what it is. Asia always has soft, tender beef, but that's what it is again. It's really good. This is spicy sauce. Let me see how the spicy sauce tastes by itself first. I'm not tasting, oh, never mind. There you go. It's spicy. It's good, it's spicy sauce. I don't know what's in it, but it's peppers and it's spicy. Noodles, spicy sauce. Super good. But I'll give them a 7. I give them a 7 because I've had better noodles in Japan, to be honest with you. But it's pretty good for what it is. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Like, comment, peace.